Hello, in front of me I've got smartphone with brand new Android 13. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings and enter display. As you can see right here, we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list, where we can change brightness level manually or via adaptive brightness. Next, we can change lock screen preferences like privacy, between show all notification content, show sensitive content only when unlocked, and don't show notifications at all. Next, we can add text on lock screen, enable or disable show wallet, show device controls, control from locked device, double line clock, identify songs playing nearby, always show time and info, tap to check phone, lift to check phone, and in the end, wake screen for notifications. Then we can change screen timeout between 15 seconds and 30 minutes and enable or disable screen attention. Next, we can enable or disable dark theme. Also, we can schedule it. Then we can set screensaver between colors, customize or photos. Enable or disable auto rotate screen smooth display, increase touch sensitivity, night light. Also, we can change its intensity and schedule it. Change display and text size. Change colors of the display between natural, boosted and adaptive. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.